Okay, so we got this question. This question is very beautiful. You should have good command over this because this question will teach you lots of concept. Okay, so it is everything together. Now look at question this. No need to go with the question number. Okay, balls are to be placed in. Oh, that was correct. 5 balls are to be kept placed in 3 boxes. Okay, so there are 5 balls and 3 box. 5 ball with 3 box. Each box can hold all the 5 balls. Okay, max to max each bag can have 5. A number of ways in which balls can be placed so that no box remains empty. So you have to give at least one ball to one box. Okay, now look at this. So focus on A. Balls are identical but boxes are different. So look at this. So this is distribution of identical object to different person. Okay. So you know that how we used to do distribution of identical object to different person. Treat these box as person. So then you will be asking for sticks. 1 2 3 4 5. Now you will be asking for sticks. So how many sticks do we need? We need one less than the number of person. So we will assume that these boxes are person, so it is 3, so we need 2 sticks. So all together we have how many things? 5 and 2 7. So what we will do? We will ask for sticks. 7c 2. Wait, in this case 0 is not allowed. Okay, so look at this. So this is not the correct answer. Now what we will do, you know that it is distribution of identical object to different person, but 0 is not allowed. Okay, 0 is not allowed. Okay, so how we will manage things? You know that you can place your stick over here, over here, over here, and over here. So there are 4 places for sticks are available. So it is 4c2. Now simplify things. So 4 factorial, 4 factorial upon 2 factorial, and then 2 factorial. So it is 4 3 2 and 1, 2 and 2. So this thing on. So we are left with 6. So A is connected with S. Okay, so this is the answer for the part 1. Okay, now focus on second situation. Balls are different. So balls are different, but it is identical. Okay, means boxes are identical. So in this case what will happen, you can like suppose box is bag A, bag B. Okay, I know we cannot write different names. I should write bag A, bag A, and bag A. Okay, but for understanding, look at this. Okay, I'll go through your way. Bag A, and then bag A. So it is distribution of different object. So distribution of different object means, can I go with minimum 1 and 3? Correct. You can distribute these in this way. Okay, so give minimum to first person, give minimum to second person, and then give maximum. Now just try to reduce your number 3. So you can reduce it by 1, so it will become 2 2 and 1, and keep things in such a way that you can manage decreasing order. Okay, this is question number B. Now look at this. Can I write this thing as distribution of different object as, sorry, it is 5 factorial by 3 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. 1 is repeated twice, for that 2 factorial. So it is 5 4, 3 factorial, 3 factorial gone, and then 2 factorial, so it is 10. So in case 1 we got 10. And here I cannot permute because the box are same. You cannot say that which box is having 3, all are same, no, so you cannot permute. If this is also different, then you have to permute. Okay, ball is also different, box is also different, then you can permute. Okay, now it is 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial. 2 is repeating twice for that 2 factorial, so it is 8. So 5, 4, 3, 2 by 8. So 4 twos are 8. So it is 15. So in this case, we got 10 plus 15 as 10 plus 15 as 25. Okay. So answer for this part we got as 25. So we can connect B with Q. So answer is B with Q. Okay. Now handle your situation C. Okay. So in C, what we have, ball as well as box, both are identical. Okay, so in this case both are identical. Okay, so if it is identical now, both are identical, then distribution is allowed. Only you have to do distribution and things are done. Sometimes what will happen, they will ask you to distribute identical book to identical shelf, identical fruits to identical bag, identical ball to identical box. Okay, so in this case you have to do distribution because you cannot distinguish between the object, neither you can distinguish between the bags or box or shelf. Okay, so how many distribution is allowed? You know, you have already handled this situation. There were two distribution, you can distribute them in only two ways. Okay, so answer for part C is P. Okay, I hope part C is okay with you guys. Okay, now look at this part D. I know you can answer this because you have already answered 3 questions, so you can answer this as well. But look at this idea, ball as well as box as well as ball are identical but are kept in a row. So in this thing you have to apply arrangement also. So with distribution you will be doing arrangement as well. Okay, so you know that, like, what was the first distribution? 10. Okay, and the second distribution was 15. Okay, so if you will arrange them into the row, okay, so for this thing you have how many choices? Two choices. For this thing you have how many choices? One choices. So required number would be, first you will be doing distribution is 25, and then you can arrange things in how many ways? Two ways, so it is 50. Okay, so answer for D will become R. Okay, just go through this video one more time so that you can have good command how to distribute different and different things, different object, different thing, different object, same thing, different object, and same and different thing, different thing. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.